It's been a real windy night, and Christian's pickup is in the shed for repairs. I would normally put mine in here, but it's so windy and gets a slate for it. He's got problems with his brakes at the front. That it really just needs discs, disc brake, disc pads, not. And there was a little bit of play on the tracking or something, which means at least one of the tyres was about shot. He had an accident here. Well, there's a tyre there. He's taken one wheel to get a new tyre on it, so they're not here yet, but I think they'll be here later. Because it's something of an emergency, because he discovered he was going to tax it, and he discovered that it had been out of MOT for about at least a month, probably longer. That's my lamp, which seems to have suffered the Christian effect. It gone for a tyre, but it's there. That one's not. It might just about be considered legal, but I would think it's pushing it to get through an MOT with that. But generally speaking, considering the abuse it gets, this old bus, it's really not bad at all. I say old, it's not all that old. When he got it, some old retired farmer had it in Rosedale, and it hadn't maybe been his pride and joy, but it was quite well looked after and hadn't done a vast number of miles, 50,000 or something. Anyway, this is a Ford Ranger. And this shed is the old milking parlour. We had a breast milking parlour in here. The whole intention was to be able to get things like this in. That's for the lighting on. It's just like a body shop, isn't it? That orange coat is annoying.